welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of drill attachments and accessories, uncovering 10 must-have tools that will revolutionize your DIY projects in 2024. From precision cutting to efficient drilling, these attachments are game changers. So, let's jump right in.
Number 1. Introducing the BitBox C6.3, a practical solution for trade professionals. With 31 essential pieces, this set offers versatility for various applications. The 1/4-inch drive size ensures compatibility with most drills. Organized in a compact case measuring 115 mm by 73 mm by 39 mm, it's ideal for on-the-go use. The innovative bit holder simplifies bit and screw combinations with a color-coded system for easy identification. A terminal block with printed profile designation enhances efficiency. Simple removal and clearly laid out storage of bits ensure a seamless user experience. The box features practical storage options and a belt clip for portability. Made from robust, impact-resistant plastic, the case protects your bits for long-term use. Upgrade your toolkit with the BitBox C6.3 for convenience, efficiency, and organization in drilling tasks. Number 2. Introducing the Starrett TCT Tungsten Carbide-tipped multi-purpose hole saws, offering exceptional performance for a wide range of materials. With a 1.5-inch diameter, these hole saws power through wood, MDF, plastics, plasterboard, and ceramic wall tiles up to 5 times faster than traditional bimetal hole saws. The carbide-tipped teeth ensure outstanding cutting performance and product durability, allowing for a cutting depth of 2 1/8 inches. Experience a smooth cut with minimal heat buildup, thanks to the advanced design. Suitable for use in both mains and battery-powered tools, these versatile hole saws can tackle multiple tasks, including cutting wood, MDF, plastics, ceramic wall tiles, and building bricks. Upgrade your toolkit with the Starrett TCT multi-purpose hole saws for efficient and precise cutting in various materials. Number 3. Introducing the PackTool SS701 Snapper Shear, a versatile sheet metal cutter drill attachment designed to enhance efficiency and safety on the job site. With a focus on working smarter, this electric drill shears attachment minimizes metal chips during use, allowing professionals and DIYers to cut and install with ease. The ergonomic advantage of the universal shear head's 360 degrees rotation provides a user-friendly experience, enabling straight, right-angle, curve cuts, and circles down to 3 inches in diameter. Built to professional standards, this innovative shear works with any 18-volt or higher cordless drill, offering easy navigation while cutting. It powers through various metals, including galvanized steel, aluminum, copper up to 18 gauge, and stainless steel up to 20 gauge. The PackTool SS701 cutting attachment slices through steel wire, mesh, vinyl, aluminum, siding, flashing, metal roofing, and trim coil. Upgrade your metal cutting capabilities with the PackTool SS701 Snapper Shear for precision and efficiency in any project. Number 4. Introducing the Makita E03442 Impact Premier Mag Boost, specifically designed for use in impact drivers to meet high torque demands. This innovative tool is suitable for all fastening jobs across various industries, offering versatility and reliability. Featuring standard color codes representing the bit head, the Mag Boost ensures easy identification for quick bit changes. With its stronger hold, this magnetic attachment minimizes drops, providing a more secure fastening experience. Upgrade your impact driver with the Makita E03442 Impact Premier Mag Boost for enhanced performance and efficiency in fastening tasks. Number 5. Introducing the Klein Tools KTSB 15 Step Drilled Bit Number 15, designed for precision and efficiency in drilling tasks. Featuring double flutes, this bit enables faster cutting while maintaining cooler operation, enhancing overall performance. The fast-starting, non-walking drill tip ensures precise and accurate drilling for clean and professional results. High-visibility silver targets are provided for primary hole sizes, making it easy to identify the desired hole size and achieve accurate drilling. The thick 3/8-inch hex shank ensures a secure grip in the drill chuck, preventing rounding out and providing a more positive grip during operation. With 3 different hole sizes, this step drill bit offers versatility to tackle various drilling tasks. Made with high-quality materials, it ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Its user-friendly design makes it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, offering smooth drilling and ease of use. Upgrade your toolkit with the Klein Tools KTSB 15-step drill bit for reliable and efficient drilling. Number 6. The Drill Innova Goods Jigsaw Drill Adapter is a practical tool for a variety of DIY projects, effortlessly transforming your drill into a jigsaw. It adds versatility and value to your electric tools, allowing for easy adaptation to different surfaces. This innovative adapter features a detachable multi-position handle and interchangeable serrated blades, suitable for wooden, metal, and PVC surfaces. Its multi-purpose design is compatible with universal T-shank jigsaw blades and can be easily attached to any electric drill. The detachable ergonomic handle is adaptable for both left and right-handed users, offering comfort and control during use. The adapter includes 3 types of saw blades, T144D, T344D, T318A, catering to various cutting needs. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use with wireless drills, this adapter is simple to use by following the included instructions to insert it into the drill's head and attach the desired saw blade. Always ensure the drill is unplugged from the mains during handling. The screw-on handle can be attached on either side to accommodate user preferences and optimize workspace. Number 7. Introducing the Inco Keeley 2001 grease gun attachment, designed to deliver high-quality performance comparable to Makita's P90451. This attachment boasts a capacity of 400 cc or 14 ounces, offering versatile loading options with compatibility for both 14-ounce cartridges and 400 cc bolt grease. With a working pressure of 4,000 psi and a burst pressure of 8,000 psi, this attachment ensures efficient and reliable greasing operations. Crafted from durable aluminum material, it guarantees long-lasting durability even in demanding work environments. The 1/4-inch DR fitting allows for easy attachment to various grease guns, while the 3-ways loading system provides flexibility for users to choose between cartridge, bulk, or dispenser loading methods. Upgrade your grease gun with the Inco Keeley 2001 grease gun attachment for consistent and hassle-free lubrication in automotive, industrial, and maintenance applications. Number 8. Introducing the Kingchrome K27000 lock-on socket and bit set, a 43-piece collection engineered to exceed world-class benchmarks and international standards. This set includes 10 metric 1/4 drive lock-on sockets, for accessories, a quick-release coupler, and 28 color-coded driver bits in Phillips, Hex, Torx, and tamper-proof Torx drive types. Featuring an inner lid injection and in-house designed bit racks, it's a unique product with industrial-grade chrome vanadium sockets designed to loosen up to 85% of rounded fasteners. The color-coded lock-on driver bits, made from S2 steel and chrome-plated, offer superior corrosion protection. The set also includes a lock-on ratchet handle, extension bar, 115 mm, universal joint, and bit coupler, 6 mm. Number 9. Diablo's Spade Bit Range offers one of the quickest and easiest solutions for drilling clean holes in wood. The high-performance speed tip design enables self-feeding, resulting in faster hole making compared to traditional spade bits. The optimized curved paddle design enhances chip evacuation, allowing for more holes per charge. This range is impact-strong, providing increased shank stability and durability for both cordless and corded impact and drill drivers. The speed tip self-feed design effortlessly pulls the bit with minimal effort, ensuring faster holes with ease. The optimized curved paddle design swiftly removes chip buildup, maximizing the number of holes per charge. Impact Strong technology enhances shank stability and durability, ensuring reliable performance in various drilling applications. Additionally, the angled spur cutting edge scores wood for clean holes and reduced blowout, delivering maximum performance in both cordless and corded impact and drill drivers. Number 10. Introducing the EasyPower 81544 90 degrees 3/8-inch angle drill attachment, designed to provide versatility and ease of use for various drilling tasks. This 90-degree drill attachment effortlessly turns any drill into an angle drill, allowing for access to hard-to-reach areas with drill bits, wire brushes, polishers, and grinding discs. Simply fit it into the drill chuck like a regular drill bit for convenient use. Manufactured in China, this angle drill attachment is easy to use and completely sealed, eliminating the need for lubrication. However, it's important to note that this attachment is not suitable for use in hammer drills. Upgrade your drilling experience with the EasyPower 81544 90 degrees 3/8-inch angle drill attachment for enhanced versatility and accessibility in various drilling applications.